Hey everyone, it's Melissa of Butterfly Planner. I am doing a collective haul, so you're gonna see maybe the lighting change a little bit here and there, but this is over the course of the month. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you starting now a couple of things. First is stuff from Desert Bloom & Co. Miranda is amazing. She has the cutest packaging. I meant to keep this like packaged so you could see how cute this is, but I got excited and yeah. If you hear noise in the background, it's my new kitten. If you want to see pictures of her, you can check out my Instagram or go ahead, and she's also in the new shop vlogs. So Desert and Bloom does a lot of like really cool book binding and journaling sets and paper stuff, but she just brought out her new, she's calling them messy bun bows because they're not like quite perfect, but they're still really cute. And these are the ones that I got, and they were all stuck into this, and I know she used the butterfly because I'm the butterfly planner and we're good friends, so she's so sweet. She added a couple of extras. These are all just so beautiful and I cannot wait. These are great fall colors and will look so pretty in my planner. She also sent me this cactus charm because I went to Arizona State, and so I have like a special place in my, oh, there's the side, for cacti. And she also added this lip gloss and a little die cut of a rose. So that is Desert and Bloom. All the links to all these shops will be down below in the description, so make sure you check them out. The next is my Sweet Kwai subscription for the month. This is the full sticker she likes to do, and this is enough stickers for if you want to do every week in a regular planner, like a standard planner. So there's tons of stuff, and I'm gonna use it in my standard planner, like my B6 or B6. I keep saying B6 because I just watched Gwen's videos from Gwendolyn Faye, and she uses a B6 and I use an A5. So they're gonna be used in my A5 and my daily. Aren't these pumpkin checklists just so cute? And then all the fun full boxes and deco, and then fun, these guys, and weekend banners. Just so many cute, fun stickers. And then the bottom washi. So I'm really excited for those. The next shop I have is Kubo and Lucy Stationery Co. She is a friend from California. She was in my planner group, and this is the little freebie she added. She makes really awesome clips. I have a ton of them, and I realized I hadn't ordered from her for a while, and she has these Monstera ones. That are just really cute. Like this one is, oh, that's really cool. It's really cute. Sorry, I was out of, but they look like Monstera leaves. And then I got one that is a little kitty cat. Here are two other Monstera ones. I'll take these out real fast. So I got these ones. I just really, really love the colors. They're just so bright and so like me. And then I grabbed this fall clip also. She also has like she has tons of stuff like actual clips and tons of stuff like that. So you should definitely go check her out. Link will be down below. So that is it for my September collective haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.